The short answer is no. Screened single pair cable, SSPC, is not a suitable replacement for Profibus or Foundation Fieldbus, FF, due to technical limitations in impedance, shielding, speed, and data integrity. Using screened single pair cable as a substitute for Profibus and Foundation Fieldbus cables raises some interesting points. First, let's consider the specifications. Profibus and Foundation Fieldbus are designed for robust communication in industrial environments, with specific shielding and impedance characteristics to minimize interference. Screened single-pair cables, while versatile and cost-effective, may not meet the stringent requirements for data integrity and noise immunity that these protocols demand. Profibus and Foundation Fieldbus cable offers 150 ohm or so impedance compared to screened single-pair cable, which has 100 ohm impedance. FF cables carry both power and data, which screened single-pair cable cannot do. Replacing a Foundation Fieldbus cable with screened single-pair cable would disable device power transmission. Moreover, the data rates and distances supported by Profibus and Foundation Fieldbus are optimized for their respective applications. For Profibus, it is 12 Mbps data, 1200 meter distance used for high-speed industrial networks, and 31.25 kbps data rate, 1900 meter distance for Foundation Fieldbus, while single-pair cables might struggle to maintain performance over longer distances and low to medium data rates, few hundreds meter distance or in electrically noisy environments, leading to signal degradation over long distances. What happens if you use screened single-pair cable instead? Here are possible issues: network failures due to impedance mismatch, higher error rates and retransmissions, poor EMI resistance causing data corruption, devices not receiving power in FF networks, and unreliable communication leading to process disruptions. The final verdict is a big no. Screened single-pair cable is not a replacement for Profibus or Foundation Fieldbus. It's all about ensuring that your data flows smoothly and securely without any hiccups.